Hey family, I'm so excited to bring to you this course on affiliate marketing. So make sure you have your pen and paper ready to go, because remember what we say, note takers are money makers. Okay guys? So first off, this video is going to be about what is affiliate marketing, what are the benefits of being an affiliate marketer, and also some success tips to get you going. All right? So without further ado, let's get right into it. So affiliate marketing or digital marketing, there's all kinds of words that, phrases that name it ghost marketing, but this is what we're specifically talking about is digital marketing and affiliate marketing. What is it? So first off, the process of it is businesses or merchants or companies have items that they want to promote, or they want more eyes to be on their products, right? So when you have a affiliate program, you essentially have other individuals working to promote your products, right? So just think of it as a army, of soldiers going out to different areas to promote your product to the different individuals, okay? And then as a affiliate, you are promoting these different products on different social media platforms or via email marketing tools or email sequences. And then once an individual actually purchases that particular product, you get a commission, okay? So let's go through the steps of becoming an affiliate marketer, okay? So first, you think about a product that you would like, right? I suggest it's something that you are passionate about, something that will be easy to talk about and easy to promote, right? Then you go ahead and you go and find a reputable affiliate program. In case in point, Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, things like that, companies that are reputable, right? And then you pick a product. You can pick multiple products that you want to promote, and then you get your specific affiliate link, okay? So you get your specific affiliate link, and then you're able to now put that link, attach it with the photo of the product to your social media platforms, to Pinterest, to your email sequences. And then when someone clicks on it, y'all, goes through the process, purchases it, you then get your commission check and you get a percentage of the sale, right? You never have to have any products in your home. You never have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about inventory, customer service, or anything. Say, God forbid, someone returns that product. That has nothing to do with you, right? Your job as an affiliate is to get eyes on these products and get more individuals to see them, so that it's more likely that more individuals purchase it. All right, guys? So I hope you got the steps of how to become an affiliate. And then now let's go into speaking about the benefits of affiliate marketing, okay? So first off, the easiest thing to see is that it's going to benefit the merchant or the company, right? So for example, if you are promoting a brand new hair dryer from Sephora, right? And there's might be an individual that doesn't even know what Sephora is, doesn't even go there, but they have hair and they need a good hair dryer, right? What if you have your link and you're just showing how amazing this hair dryer is and how quick it dried your hair, and then you say, hey, if you're looking for a new hair dryer, click this link below and you can get this exact one, right? The individual that's watching you use this hair dryer doesn't know you're an affiliate. They don't need to know you're an affiliate. What do they need? A hair dryer, right? So by you just having your link, they were gonna buy a hair dryer anyway, y'all. They were gonna buy the hair dryer anyway. But because you are an affiliate to that particular product, you now get a commission off of that sale just by doing what you normally would do, use your hair dryer. So that example showed you the beauty of affiliate marketing. The merchant gets a sale that they probably weren't gonna get, right? You as a affiliate get a percentage of that sale, right? And the consumer did not know about this product, may have bought it from somewhere else, and they actually get a real firsthand experience of the quality of that product. So it's a three-pronged system where everyone benefits from this particular program, right? Where everyone's needs get met. So I think that's the most beneficial thing when it comes to affiliate marketing, other than the fact that you don't have to ever have an inventory, right? So I hope y'all see the benefits of how it could work out for you and how it can help your consumers or the people who are watching you, right? All right, cool. So now we're gonna move on to some success tips, right? And I'm gonna look down because I wanna make sure I give you all these tips to get you going, because there's so many, 86% of companies out there, y'all, have affiliate programs. Just off the top of my head, Target, Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot, Sephora, Ulta, just off the top of my head, right? TJ Maxx, Adidas, Nike, Puma, like the possibility, Rolex, the possibilities are endless, Gucci. Like, do you see? Like, the possibilities are endless, and people are, this is the crazy thing, y'all. People are gonna buy this stuff anyway. People are gonna buy these things anyway. So why would you not set yourself up correctly so that you can make money passively without thinking about it? You get your unique link, and then when individuals purchase it, you just get your commission check, okay? So let me go through some success tips to get you started, because everyone should be started in affiliate marketing today, okay? So first off, like I said before, choose your niche, right? Your niche, and it's something you have to be passionate about. So there's different niches in the industry in regards to, where products fall into the category, right? Food, right? There's a niche for food, like restaurants, cooking, recipes, seasonings, cookware, right? That's a niche. If you like to cook, if that's your thing, you should be promoting products in that niche, because you can talk about sauces, you can talk about pots, you can talk about seasonings, right? Beauty is a $1 million industry, like out of control all the time, right? Beauty, skincare, that's another like crazy niche. So if you're into that, you can totally promote all of those items that you would already know about and already use, right? So think about it if you are trying to, in the sense of you're trying to build your brand, right? Who are you in regards to affiliate marketing? So if you're gonna be a beauty affiliate, right? All of the items that you're gonna be promoting and having your unique link to would be associated to beauty. If your brand is gonna be cooking, all of your unique links will be linked to cooking or recipes or supplies you need to cook, right? If your brand is going to be towards technology, right? You would be promoting all of the things to do with technology, all the new lighting, all the new gadgets, mics, whatever it is, okay? So I hope y'all are understanding when it comes to the niches, it's something you need to be passionate about, and all of your links should be associated with that passion, because it would just be streamlined when an individual, for me, right? If I'm looking to say, darn, I'm in the market for a new makeup, I go straight to the person that I know that's promoting makeup to say, okay, what are they talking about now? Does that make sense to y'all? I hope that makes sense. That once you have yourself as an authority in your niche, right? Your audience will know to come to you for the new things, and they're just gonna buy it. They're just gonna buy it, right? Because they're looking for that item and they're trusting you. That leads myself into the next point that the next tip you should have. Build a rapport with your audience, right? Build a relationship, right? They gotta trust you. They gotta know you. They gotta, believe what you're saying. So, am I saying you need to have 1 million followers? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But those followers that you do have, you need to have a relationship with them. They need to know your voice. They need to know how you think, how you feel, how you respond to certain things, okay? So build a rapport with your audience. Respond to their comments. Put likes there and answer their questions, guys. So that's giving a back and forth that you're a real person. You're not just here sending out a commercial, okay? The next tip, make sure when you are creating your content, it's high quality, right? Gone are the days where you have to buy a whole separate camera or a whole lighting system, right? I am filming this on my iPhone, guys, okay? Don't let that be the reason you're stopping, okay? Get high quality content using, get a more updated phone, and learn using the particular apps to help you enhance your videos. Okay, guys? It's so simple now. 2023 this time period has made it easier for us to create content, and there's no excuse. Okay? The next thing I would say, make sure the next tip is pick a reputable company, guys. Okay? A reputable company, something that, people can trust. The names are automatic. People know what they are. And, you can see that there's individuals working for this particular company and they have a good reputation in the industry. Okay? All right? So as I was saying before, make sure that you have all these tips. You wrote these tips down, and that you understand that affiliate marketing benefits not only the merchant, but yourself in the form of commission, and also your consumers in the form of getting, real feedback about these particular products. At the end of the day, this is an amazing business to start with little, like no startup cost, because you have your phone and you have your internet already. Okay, guys? So I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you soon.